Okay, good. So, yesterday when I was talking about chemistry compounds, or I was talking about how do you see chemistry around you. So, Ateen, what did I say you? What does water contain? What will you
Yeah.
put water as? It's a compound of
H2O.
H2O. H2O. What does that mean?
Yeah. Two hydrogen and one oxygen.
Excellent. So hydrogen is one element which contains how many atoms of hydrogen? H2O. That means two atoms of hydrogen. And then O means one oxygen. So just see a small video where you understand what is an atom. I told you many times that atom is the smallest unit of anything, not only living and non-living, everything, okay?
Yeah.
More than catch errors. With Grammarly, you can find really...
Yeah.
Can you see a video going on there?
Yeah. Little science. Hi, Malak.
Malak is here?
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah. Welcome, Malak. You missed math, but don't worry, inshallah. Are you okay? Are you good?
Hello, friends. I am an atom.
Okay,
Yes, an atom. Can you see me? Oh, yes, I know you can see me on your screen, but I am just an imaginary picture of an atom. Real atoms are too tiny. You can only see them under a very special microscope. Actually, this big microscope can be called a machine. Okay, now you know that we're so tiny that we can only be seen with machines. Now, I have a question for you. Do you know the meaning of your name? Very good if you know it. If you don't know, ask your parents. But I also know the meaning of my name. It means that which can't be cut, that which is uncuttable. Actually, it's a Greek word, which means it is indivisible, which means it can't be divided further or can't be cut further. Let me show you something. Let me ask this man to cut the apple in his hand in...
So what they are saying, the scientists, they say it is indivisible. Though it contains protons, electron, neutron, but the smallest thing, if you cut something, the smallest thing, it is an atom of any living and non-living, okay? Yes, listen to this.
half. Now do it again. Please do it again. Keep doing it until you can't cut it any further. Yes, this is the smallest part which you can't cut any further. But it can also be cut under a microscopic machine. So, if you get a part so small which can't be divided further, it is called indivisible. It can't be cut further. It is uncuttable. It is an atom. Let me tell you a secret. Everything is made up of atoms. You, this water, this table, this blackboard, this fan, these fruits, everything. Everything is made up of atoms. Oh, you're right too. Everything is made of molecules, but all molecules are made of atoms. Confused?
Yes, today you will learn the difference between atom and molecule. When I say you H2O, H2O is a water molecule that contains atom inside. Which atom does H2O contains? It contains hydrogen. Yes. 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. So you remember like last year when I explained you cell, tissue, organ system, like that we have element, then 2 element or 2 atom combined, 2 different atom combined to become molecule. Even same atoms can, like even if I say O2, it's a molecule, but it must be 2 or more. 2 or more they combine by a chemical bond, it is called as a molecule. And then if 2 different molecules they compound, they find compound. Anyways, that I will explain you later. But right now, just today, you know atom and molecule. Atom is, oh, sorry, it got disconnected.
No problem.
What is it? Is it sharing or no, nothing you can see?
Nothing. Your screen, nothing.
Okay, wait. Now?
Yeah, now. Yeah.
Okay. Let us continue the video.
Yeah.
Go to the blackboard and write any sentence. Good. Now this is a whole sentence. Now circle all of the words in this sentence. Now let's take a word and circle all the letters of R with some other color. Very good. You see, this sentence is made up of words, but words are made up of letters. So letters are the smallest units of a sentence. Similarly, everything is made up of molecules, but molecules are made up of atoms. So atoms are the smallest unit of everything. Look at this. See, water is made up of water molecules, but water is made of atoms. There are two atoms.
Girls, I want you to make 3 circles, one red color and H must be same color. Maybe you take pink or anything. Then
Picture where?
you will attach semicircle of H and H like that, and you will make a molecule and show me as an activity. Okay?
In the copybook?
Cut 3 circles. Okay? Cut 3 circles. One same color because oxygen, and hydrogen and hydrogen must be same color, and oxygen must be different color.
Different color.
Okay. Do you want me
And
to
we write H, hydrogen, O, oxygen, and water molecule.
Yes, make a water molecule. Make a water molecule. You know, to the full circle, just cut hydrogen to half circles and stick like that. Okay.
In the copybook?
You see, keep a folder for science where you keep everything there inside. When you draw, I don't want you to make a copybook just for science right now. Right now, you have your notes right there, everything. And then these activities keep in a file. Okay?
So I'm going to...
Or if you want...
and put it in a file.
Have a 60 pages copybook, stick into that. A small copybook is enough. Okay? Because maybe you will lose the paper, so you can even stick in that. It's up to you.
So, Miss, can I do it in a white paper and put it in a file?
You can do in the white paper. Yes, you can do that.
And put it in a file.
Yes, you can do that. Okay. So make for carbon dioxide CO2 and H2O. CO2 and H2O. Or okay, H2O is enough, girls, enough. I don't want to make you do a lot of things.
Atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen in each water molecule. So when atoms join together, they form a molecule. And when molecules join together, they form a thing. So now you understand. Good. So now, friends, now I would show my body. Yes, I would show different parts of my body.
We don't need, I think so, for this lesson to see his body and to see what atom contains inside. All right? We will just...
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So, please read this out. Atoms are the building blocks of matter. Wateen, can you read the first paragraph here?
Yeah. Miss, which page this? Is it in the book? Yeah.
Yeah, page number
Atoms 16?
16.
Okay. Atoms are the building blocks of matter. The matter that you encounter every day, both living and non-living, is made up of basic particles called atoms. Not all atoms are the same. There are nearly 100 types of atoms that occur naturally on Earth. These different types of atom are known as elements. Each element has unique properties. For example, oxygen is a colorless gas made up of oxygen atoms. The element gold is shiny metal made up of gold atom. Just 6 elements make up most of the human body. These and other elements are important for cell process in all living things.
Imagine there are more than 100 elements, and elements have their own unique property. Like example, they gave you oxygen is a colorless gas. Okay, gold is a golden metal, beautiful golden metal. Silver is silver color. Mostly all the metals in the periodic table, all the elements, especially those are metal, those are silver in color. Very few.
Do we highlight?
Yes?
Do we highlight?
You just highlight the atom, that the first two lines, that the matter, both, don't highlight that you encounter the matter, both living and non-living. It's okay, when you bring your book, you can do it, because I think book
the
matter that both living and non-living is made up of basic particle called atom.
The matter, both living thing and non-living
thing, yes, is made up of
basic particles.
Yeah.
Called atoms.
Atoms. Yeah. That's enough. That's enough. Okay, that's enough. Then don't highlight anything here. I will just say you that everyone, they have their own special things. Gold is golden in color. You know, inside the wire, you see those reddish brown strings. When somebody removed the cover of the wire, which color do you see inside? Reddish brown strings, right?
Miss, your voice is cutting. I can't hear it properly.
Mateen, when you see the wires, inside the wire, which color you see the strings?
Red and blue.
Yes, that is copper. The element is copper.
Copper.
Gold is golden in color. Copper is reddish brown in color. Of course, you know the silver metal is silver in color. Like that, every metal or every element has its own property. This is what we learned here. Now, what did you learn from the video? What are molecules? When you combine atoms, they become molecule. When you combine atoms, they make a molecule. Like I used to explain my, where's my arrow?
Miss, I understand what mean atom. It's like invisible.
See. Like this is atom, okay? When I combine two atom, this becomes molecule. This can be both oxygen, no problem. It will be O2. If I write oxygen and oxygen, it will be O, capital O. Never will write small. Capital O and 2. Small 2. Usually write 2, very small down here. That means this is 2 oxygen. Now girls, if I want to make hydrogen, I need to make it
H2.
Like here, I will make.
That means 2 hydrogen.
Yeah, I will make with different color. 1 second. I will make with different color. That means this blue is H, hydrogen, and these two are O and O, that is oxygen. H, 2O, there are 2 oxygen and there are 1 hydrogen. This all is called a water molecule. What is this called?
Water molecule.
Why do I call molecule? Because there are many atoms joined together. If more than 1 atom join together, it is called as molecule.
Yes.
Okay. Tell me.
I didn't understand what's mean molecule.
See, if I write here, Vatin, if I write here O alone, what is this? What is this?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. This is an atom. When 1 oxygen goes in the air and combine with the another oxygen, it becomes now
2 oxygen.
2. It becomes what? O2. So O2, this is an oxygen molecule which contains 2 atoms of oxygen. Now you understand?
Yeah.
They have to combine with a chemical bond. They have to combine
a molecule
chemical bond.
Combine.
Yes, with a chemical bond. They cannot just combine with, like example, if I take sulfur and iron, you know iron?
Molecule mean combine with chemical?
Chemical bond. See, if like example, if I just take sugar and
what is bond?
Like, you know, there is some connection in chemistry which is called as bonding. Bonding. Like example, listen to me. Imagine you take sugar 1 spoon and water and you mix it with your hand. Is it chemically? No, it's not chemical. It's physical. You're just doing with your hand. Something which is joined that you cannot. I will say you a simple example with human. If your best friend, you will have a special bond with her. Okay? If you're holding your hands with your best friend, you will have special bond. You have special connection, which you cannot break easily. Can you break easily? Special connection with your best friend? No, like that. Like that. Even elements, they have a connection. They combine and they don't leave each other. When they don't leave each other, that is a chemical bond. But if you're doing something physically, you're just taking 1 spoon of this, 1 spoon of that and mixing it, it will not become a bond. That is physical relation. Okay? So when I say molecule, you will remember 2 or more atom. It must be 2 or it must be more than 2. 2 or more element or 2 or more atom combines chemically. Combines chemically. You need to say chemically. Okay?
Combined chemical bond.
Combine. Right? Combine means what? Combine means what? Coming together. Combine. Yeah. I will tell you the definition. It is here, inshallah, in the molecule. See? A molecule is group of atoms that are held together. Held together. They are combining by what? By chemical bonds. Okay?
Okay.
Now you understand? Now you understand?
Miss, can I highlight it? I will say a molecule is a group of atoms.
A molecule is a group of atoms that held together by chemical bond. Now let's, if I draw this one and say you, this is hydrogen. Is it atom or molecule?
Atom.
Very good. Malak, is this atom or molecule?
Atom.
Atom. Now, I have one more hydrogen which combined with it chemically. Now what is it?
Molecule, because it's combined with chemical.
Yes. Molecule which contain how many atoms?
2.
2 atoms. Excellent. This is called a molecule. Now, I say that it's different color. This is a hydrogen. This is a water molecule. It can also be called as compound.
This teacher also molecule, right?
Yes. 2.
Because he say are made of element. 2 or more.
Listen to me. 2 or more different element. If different element they combine, it is called a compound. What is it called? Compound. Now, again, I will ask you. Vatin, is this a molecule or a compound? This one is a molecule or a compound?
Molecule.
Very good. Because you don't have any different element. When different element come and combine, this is called compound. But you will ask me, teacher, it's a molecule also. Yes, it's a molecule, because what is the definition of molecule? In molecule, anything can combine. But in compound, different things have to combine. Okay?
Okay.
Is it clear now? With these circles, it will be very clear for you all.
Yeah.
Different element, 2 or more different element of atoms combine together to form compound. Now please highlight a substance made up of atom of 2 or more element joined by chemical compound. Chemical bond is called a compound. Here more element is right, 2 different element, 2 or more different element. So that you remember my explanation. 2 or more, it has to be different elements. Like if this is, see, this is red in color. Example, this is carbon. So other.
This is atom.
No. If this one, maybe this is carbon, this is oxygen. So you will say this is a compound which contains carbon and oxygen atoms. You can also call it as a molecule. It's not wrong. Even if you call it as a molecule, it's not wrong. But you cannot call a compound as a molecule. Okay?
Yeah. If there is like 3 or 4 or 5 circles, it will be compound.
Don't go on circles. Go on different element. Like see, I will make same color. I will make same color and I'll make 4. I'll make 4. Is it a compound?
No.
No. If something different color comes here, imagine carbon comes here. Now what is
This is a compound.
Excellent. This, if you understand, girls, honestly, chemistry will be very easy for you.
Yeah.
Okay? That's why I'm taking time. I'm not rushing to finish my lesson.
Okay, miss, if there is one circle with the red and one circle with the blue,
It's a compound.
It's a compound.
Like example, now I will write, instead of circle, I will start writing and tell you. If I ask you, S sulfur, it contains 6 atoms. Tell me, this is a molecule or a compound?
Molecule.
Excellent. Now same thing if I write H, that is hydrogen. What is this? What is this? H2S. It's a molecule or a compound?
Miss, how yani? I didn't understand.
H2S. There are 2 hydrogen and 1 sulfur.
It's a compound.
Compound. Very good. But you can call it as a molecule also, no problem. But first, you will say this is a compound. This is a compound.
Compound.
That's it. I think we understood. Alhamdulillah. Now you will just give a reading. We are almost finished our class. Girls, I'm not making you write in the class and waste your time. I want to explain more and more. Because anyways, you're not in front of me. That makes me very disheartened. I feel whether I'm explaining you well, whether are you able to understand, that doubt has to be there. So please, I don't want to rush. I want to give you the writing part at home. And I'm sure you can write in the... It's like in the school, inshallah, like gold, girls. See here, gold. All are gold. This is an atom.
Yeah.
When you have many gold together, this is a molecule.
Molecule.
This is a compound because you have hydrogen and oxygen.
If there is like one circle or one shape with one color, it's atom. If there's many shapes with one color, it's molecule.
Shape and color, this is my idea. I wanted to explain you. The shape and color means elements, okay? So this is my idea to explain my kids the difference between atom, molecule and compound. But usually they'll write this and show you. Like this they will show you. This is 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen, okay?
This is a compound?
Yeah, this is a compound. Because they're different elements.
Yeah.
Okay. And it is a molecule of water also. See, water molecule, which is a compound also. All right?
Yeah.
So we have finished almost the class. Lean, can you read the second paragraph?
Okay. Some molecules are made up of one only type of atom. For example, a molecule of oxygen gas is made of 2 oxygen atoms. Other molecules contain different types of atoms. A substance made up of atoms of 2 or more elements joined by chemical bonds is called a compound. Most of the molecules found in cells are also compounds.
Lean, is this clear, everything?
Yeah.
If you want, girls, take the picture of this, or I will just do it.